Hey guys, I'm back, and just in case you forgot my name is Alina Pandey, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a fishtail rainbow bracelet. So if you don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. So what you will need are a bunch of rubber bands, or you can just get a whole bunch of rubber bands. Yeah, that's what I just said. You can get rubber bands, and if you don't know how much you know for sure, then you can just get lots of them or your whole kit. You need a C-clip or an S-clip. If you don't have any of these, I'll teach you how to tie them. And you will need your fingers. And if your rubber bands are tight, you can have 2 pencils and your brain. So let's get started. So first step will be take a rubber band. Now I'm doing the sequence pink, white, and purple. And I think the best how many colors you should use is 3, because you only need 3 rubber bands, and you're going to use 3 rubber bands with each loop. So 2 would be pretty good, but if you're 1, you can just do the same color. So oopsies. What you do, you need to take your pointer finger. Now you can use any hand that you feel comfortable with. So you take your pointer finger and you put the rubber band on your finger. You twist it only once, and then you put it in your other finger, your middle finger. Okay? Let me go ahead and do that. Okay. Then what you do, you take your next rubber band, I'm going to take white, and then you put it on. But you make sure you do not cross it. You can see I crossed the pink one, but not the white one. Okay? Now what you're going to do, you're going to take the purple. And also don't cross it. And now, the pink, the bottom rubber band, which is pink, you will take it out of your finger and just let it go. You do the same thing for the other side. That. Okay. Now, the color that is not on here, is not on your fingers, I'm not talking about the middle, I'm talking about these, is the color you put on next. So since pink isn't on here, I'll put it on. And also, for another strategy you could also do the color that you took out, that is the color you put on. Okay. Now our bottom color is white. So I take the white one out, do the same thing. Now I'm going to put on white, but I'm going to take out purple. Sometimes if you're a beginner making these, it will you might mess up by taking out the wrong one, and then it'll get a little wonky. And at the end, when I show you what it looks like, it should look like that. If not, just try to restart or get another set of rubber bands. Okay. Now, as you see, your rubber bands might turn out like there's this gap thing. It's long kind of thing. So you gotta pull it, and then it'll turn better. So you'll keep on repeating this process, and remember, do not cross it. You only cross it at the first rubber band. The rest you will just put it on, okay? Now, I will show you how to tie it after I'm done. Okay, now my finishing touch looks like this. I'm not quite done yet, because we need to tie it. We can't just wear it like that. So you gotta tie it. Okay. Now, I'm going to first teach you how to tie it, and then I will teach you how to put on the C-clip or S-clip. So how you tie it, you would take the middle finger and you would put it on your pointer finger. But this group is the one I took out from my middle finger, so it will remain at the top on my pointer finger. Then I take the bottom two that was already on my pointer finger, and then I take it out and I put, wait, no, never mind. Hold on. So I take the middle finger one, put it on my pointer finger, take the bottom two, and then I put it, you don't take it out, you just put it on top. So now that your pointer finger one that was already on, that the rubber bands were already on. So the rubber bands that are already on the pointer finger is going to be at the top now. Now the rubber bands that are at the bottom now, you're gonna take it out. And then you're gonna pull it. Now I'll make this knot kind of thing. Right there. Okay. Now at the starting, your rubber band is going to look like that. So you would take so there are two loops, right? You're going to take one of them. Oopsies. So there are two loops. Okay, you take one and then you kind of pull it. Then you would put that loop like through it. Like, so the one loop, like it would have a hole like this. There's like a hole. So the other two rubber bands, you would put one of the rubber bands through that hole. So one is already through and one is not. Now you're gonna tie it. It's like how you tie your shoe, but it's only a knot, not a bow kind of bow knot. Tie it twice so it's secure. Now this is how you tie it. Now if you don't have S-clip, this is your finishing touch. S-clip or C-clip, this is your finishing touch. Now I'm going to teach you how to put on a C-clip. Okay, so now that my rubber band's on my finger, I'm going to teach you how to put on a C-clip or an S-clip. So I have a C-clip here. Now what you do, you take your middle finger and put on your pointer finger. Your middle finger's rubber bands on the pointer finger. But it remains at the top, like I told you. Then you take your hand that has no rubber band, like not the bracelet I have hands. My left hand doesn't have the bracelet on my finger. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that out, but hold it. Okay? Now the hand that is available, my right hand's available now. I'm gonna pick up the C-clip, and then I'm gonna hook one end of the rubber band to one hook of the C-clip. So I'm gonna hook it up on that side first. So let's put it in there. C-clips are better than S-clips because they can fit more rubber bands in, but it might be hard to do it because there's 4 rubber bands going at a time. So I could say you can do 2 rubber bands at a time and then the other 2 at a time. This is okay. I'm gonna do the other 2, and this time I'll show you how I did it. So I have 2 rubber bands and I put it in there. Okay, now it's on. So it's like you have to put the rubber band in there and then it'll like get hooked up. Now there's one more side. You can't just wear it like that, can you? There's one more side you gotta put it on. So there's those 2 loops again. You pull it one, and then you will hook it on one side. So let me go ahead and do that. hook it in. There. Now this is your finishing touch of your bracelet. I hope you enjoyed my video and please subscribe down below. Bye!